Hello everyone. In this video, we will be covering the steps required to enable full screen mode in an Oracle VirtualBox. To be able to utilize the full screen mode feature of Oracle VirtualBox, we need something called guest additions. Now, when you install a VM inside a VirtualBox, it runs in an sort of isolated environment. That means it doesn't automatically integrate with your real computer or what we call the host machine. That is why by default the screen resolution is stuck in a very tiny window and simple things like copy pasting between your VM and your host doesn't work. This is where the guest additions comes into the picture. Now to be able to install this, we have to go to devices. Just click on insert guest additions CD image because this particular CD is part of the Oracle VirtualBox software and we don't have to download anything extra. Once you click this option, you can see that the CD has been properly attached to our VM. To be able to access this, we will first check the device system where the CD is mounted. For me, it is mounted inside SR0, so I will mount it inside MNT. Now we can access the file system over here. As you can see, we have a couple of binaries and executable files available. We can just go ahead and run autorun.sh, and this will take care of identifying the system and making sure the respective binary is executed to install the software. But before we do that, we have to make sure that certain prerequisite packages are already installed on the system, or else this tool will anyhow complain and exit. But since we know what all packages we need, at least the bare minimum, let's go ahead and install those. Now, since I am on Ubuntu, I have to install these packages, but if you're on any other distribution, you can check this and accordingly plan to install the respective packages. Let me copy this. Before installing, I have to make sure my repository is up to date. Once the repository is updated, let's go ahead and install the packages. So in my case, all the packages are pre-installed, so we can go ahead and start the autorun.sh. As you can see, during the installation process, automatically my screen went to the full screen mode without me doing anything. So our guest addition software is installed successfully. To make sure it is working, we can go to View, my screen, and now as you can see, I have so many options to select from. I can choose the resolution and the screen will be adjusted accordingly. Now that the software is successfully installed, we can go ahead and reboot our system to make sure the changes are properly activated. That's it for now. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me using the comment section. Thank you.